everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic day so far. Today we're going to look at a 2019 Chevy Suburban Premier in a gray metallic exterior. I would also like to point out that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits in this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you'll take notice of is those gorgeous LED headlights with the chrome trim around that. Moving down along the bottom, you'll also see that it comes with running LED fog lights with chrome trim there as well. Moving here towards the middle, you'll see that it comes with a beautiful black grille insert along with more chrome trim. And finally here, that patented gold bow tie Chevy logo there. As we make our way to the side, you'll notice the like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, a couple of things to be noted here on the exterior before we show you guys the inside. Here on your rearview mirrors, you will have blind spot monitoring as well as your turn signal indicators here on the front. On your door handles, as long as that key is in your pocket and you press that button, it will lock and unlock. But moving forward, once you open that door there, you will have running boards that open out for your added convenience of getting in and out of the vehicle. But we're going to go ahead and show you guys this interior. This is going to come with a beautiful premium brown leather interior with some of this lighter gray stitching. Moving around here towards your dash, you will come up top with a darker brown with a lighter brown and then some of the chrome trim here as well. While we're in here, let's go ahead and drop the glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Chevy Suburban, your tire depths will be 7 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front will be 15 and 32 seconds with your rear brakes being 13 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, that beautiful brown leather interior with that lighter gray stitching will stay consistent. Let me go ahead and hop in here before we continue this back seat portion of the video. Now, here behind the driver and passenger seat, you will have a 12-volt plug-in here on the right, as well as your own individual climate control, and these bucket seats back here are heated as well. Not to mention here on this right side, you will have a normal 150-watt outlet, accompanied by a large storage compartment here along the bottom. Take a second and appreciate these beautiful WeatherTech lined mats, so you don't ever have to worry about your floor mats ever getting dirty. And then turning around here to the door panel, you will have individual small storage compartments there as well. And then turning around here in the third row, you will have that beautiful brown leather interior staying consistent throughout this entire vehicle. Not to mention on this left side here behind the driver's seat, you will have two cup holders and a 12-volt plug-in there as well. Here at the rear now, this vehicle will come equipped with a backup camera. Not to mention, it will have an automatic lift system for your trunk. Now, the nice thing about this third row seating here is even with the third row up, you have plenty of room back here to haul groceries or anything you could possibly think of. Not to mention, these are automatically put down with a button here on the right side. All you'll do is hold that button and there goes that side of the seat, as well as this side there. And then to put down your trunk, all you'll do is there's a little button up here next to the handle. Just press that and there she goes. Moving now to some of the interior features of the vehicle, it will come equipped with power locks, power mirrors, power windows, seat memorization, as well as powered seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this beauty up for you guys. You'll get a nice little start up here on your driver display, as well as your middle display from Chevy. Awesome. You also notice that this vehicle will come with just over 45,000 miles on it. To the left side of your steering wheel behind, you'll have some different options up here for your HUD, your info, and the brightness to your driver display. Not to mention, you'll be able to change the height of your pedal, your lane assist, your parking assist, traction control, and another option there. Below that, you'll have some more options to change the brightness to your driver display, your headlight adjustments, your 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low options, not to mention all of your towing options. The left knob behind your steering wheel will be all of your windshield wiper adjustments for your front and rear, your turn signals, and your high beams and low beams. The right side will be your beautiful shifter knob. The left side of your steering wheel will be your cruise control as well as your heated steering wheel option. And on the right side, you'll have your touch to talk as well as your middle display options. Coming here into the middle, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, navigation, and as I mentioned before, a backup camera. Now, if you don't want to use the large touchscreen display, you'll have some manual options there as well. Not to mention the climate control at the touch of your fingertips right there. Now, these front seats are heated and cooled, as well as your heating option comes in two separate portions. You can either just heat the top, or you can do both the top and bottom. Now, here behind your, you will have two concealed storage compartments, one equipped with a 12-volt plug-in and two USB ports. And this back one, I believe, has two cup holders, yes. Go ahead and closing that back up. Now, your center console up top, you will have a phone holder here that will charge it as well. But go ahead and lifting it up, you will have a large center console equipped with two USB ports, an auxiliary line in, and another 12-volt plug-in. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top, you will have the lighting option for both the driver and passenger. Not to mention, you will be able to connect this to your home garage to open and close it. You have the option there for the height of your trunk. And then finally, you will also have the option to open and close your sunroof. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 5.3 liter V8 FOHV 16V engine. You'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you will have a couple of your small typical stone chips, and like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. Taking a look at this passenger front right wheel, no scratches, no marks, no dings on that. Moving along the body here, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings. It is an extremely clean body line. However, down here on your running boards, you will have some couple of imperfections, especially there, as well as towards the back here as well. This passenger right rear tire is very clean as well. Once again, that body is super clean. Coming back here to the trunk, you will have a couple of your small trunk scratches back here. This is very typical from getting things in and out so often of your trunk. Once again, right here above the Chevy logo as well, you will have some slight minor imperfections there. Coming around here to the driver's side of the body, once again, no scratches, no marks, no dings. This left rear wheel does have some small imperfections on it. Coming down along the driver's side door, there is going to be another small scratch here as well. Other than that, this is an extremely clean 2019. That's all I have for you guys today on this gorgeous 2019 Chevy Suburban Premier. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com, or just go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA.